I am glad we prepared for a storm yesterday because there is a storm today. Okay, there is ice shrapnel flying off of the trees. You see this branch here? So it might be not so safe to stand there. Let's move on. They are calling for rain. They are calling for wind. They're calling for ice, and they got it right. There is ice coating every branch on the Wilderstead. It is crazy. The wind is blowing the trees, swaying like crazy. There's no way I'm going in the forest today. That is some wind. They haven't had any power outages yet, which is good, but I'm still glad we spent some time yesterday getting prepared. It was a very important thing to do, and it's a good thing just to practice anyways, even if you're not too sure that the weather report's gonna come true. But I know one thing for sure, I don't think I'll be driving anywhere today because these roads must be crazy. The snow is still here, but there's a coating, maybe this thick, of ice on top, so you kind of can stand a little bit on top, but then you break through. Cass wants to demonstrate. Yeah, she demonstrated very well. It's quite awkward. You stand on it for a second, and then you break through. Everything is coated with ice. It is beautiful though. Well, I hope all of you are safe and dry and keeping out of the rain, keeping out of the freezing rain, the ice, and stay warm, stay dry. That's it from the Wilderstead.